So I've made a bit more of a simpler figure for my statue, guardian statue. I've taken a spare figure, changed the head, added on the shield, changed the hand, trimmed bits off, and what I'm going to do, I've got plenty of spears, put another spear afterwards, attach it to the model. We'll see what happens. Hopefully this will two-part cast better than the last one. Hopefully intact, fingers crossed. All right, learning from mistakes. So, a layer of plasticine in the corners. Got my Lego brick wall. It's going to definitely be a smaller mould than the last one already by looking at it. The plasticine. Now that the plasticine's in place, it's now lining up the model. So I'll try and keep him flat this time. Set him into the plasticine. And make sure his feet are right against the brick at the bottom. Oh, wobbly. Like so. And then start to fill in with my tool plasticine around the edges, up to the point of the seam I want my mould to be at. Trusted tool. It's going to take a bit of time. I need to spend a bit more time on this than last time. Alright, so I've pressed in the model. I've spent a bit more time working on the plasticine, getting a layer around to a kind of position I'd like it to be for the mould. Fingers crossed this one works. Time to mix some silicone. So first I put the silicone in. Then I put in the activate. Then I give it a good mix. So it goes to like a creamy colour without going everywhere. Seems to be alright pouring it from the height I did last time. So gradually pouring on top. There we go. A bit of a tap. Bring all the air bubbles to the top. And leave that for a bit. Right, let's see what's happened. Let's pick it apart. Let's undo it. These days they can't get into it. Right, now, moment of truth. Let's take this plasticine out. Well, that looks cool, doesn't it? Let's pick this plasticine out. It's stuck. I don't want it to stick. So built up the walls again, cleared out bits I didn't want, and cleared up the mould a bit. Took a bit of talc. Just to help release the two parts of the mould, and then pour in the other half of silicone. So it should be set now. So a bit of an unveil. So we peel this apart. Okay, I'm using the Polycraft fast cast PU resin. It comes in two parts, part A, part B, equal parts of both. So I'm going to do 20 of each. Part B. And then literally pour one into the other and then get mixing. So just 50-50 of the resin put together. Well, 1 part resin, not 1 part. So I've done 1 part, mixed the 2 parts together for the resin. Give it a bit of a stir. Okay, resin's gone off. Let's get into it, and fingers crossed on this one. No major leakages. Positive. Please pull apart. Oh, there's something inside. There's a figure. Bit of flash. Oh, I've just broken a foot in the last second. Bit more gentle. Some Klingons. Get this out. Okay. Do I cut those? Bit of surgery. There he is. Pretty decent. 1 foot I snapped off just as I started. So his foot, there we go. Bit of a clean up. His hand didn't make it. Details on his shoulder. None on that one. Shield details come out well. Pretty pleased with that. Much better than the first attempt. That's cool. Let's do it again. Yeah, just for a bit of fun. Different technique, replicating the model made from bits and pieces, especially this dude, and how you can adapt it and use it for your own terrain pieces or diorama sets or pieces that you're using, your scratch pieces. So I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you some encouragement to get on and do some more hobbying, and I will catch you next week. Take care. Bye.